Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about JONSBO C6 MAX compact micro ATX PC case with enhanced airflow and portability. So friends, JONSBO has introduced the C6 MAX, a compact micro ATX PC case designed for users seeking both portability and efficient cooling solution. And this case is a built-in carry handle, facilitate easy transportation without compromising in structural integrity, contrasted with high-quality materials, and the C6 Max emphasizes durability and functionality, making it suitable for a variety of computing needs for gaming setup and professional workstation. And the C6 Max proprietary airflow with the mesh design covering the front, top, bottom, and right side panel, and additionally the left side front include ventilation opening the further enhance cooling performance, and this design ensures the internal components maintain optional temperature during operation. The case support graphics card up to 355 mm in length, CPU cooler with maximum height of 170 mm, providing ample space for high performance hardware. Exceptional capabilities are robust with one 2.5-inch and one 3.5-inch drive available for storage solution. Cooling configuration are flexible, allowing user to install two 120 mm fans and one 140 mm fans at the top, one 120 mm fan at the rear, and two 120 mm fans at the bottom. And all through the bottom fan installation is exclusive, then 3.5-inch driveway is occupied. In terms of connectivity and compatibility, the C6 Max offer a range of I/O ports, including one USB Type-C port, one USB 3.0 port, audio output, and micro input, and catering to various peripherals and accessories requirements. So, friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.